How to kickstart your business with artificial intelligence. Understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. Overview. Hello and welcome to our course on how to kickstart your business with artificial intelligence. With the rapid advancements in technology, it's becoming increasingly important for businesses to leverage the power of AI to gain a competitive edge in the market. In this course, we'll explore understanding the basics of artificial intelligence, the various ways in which AI is transforming the business landscape, from boosting revenue to enhancing customer experience. We'll cover the anatomy of modern AI, understanding its components and capabilities, the fundamentals of AI, including its different types, such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Whether you're an entrepreneur, business owner, or aspiring AI professional, this course will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to kickstart your journey with AI and take your business to new heights. Last but not least, we'll explore revolutionizing business, how AI is transforming the corporate landscape, the many benefits of AI in business, from improving efficiency and accuracy to unlocking new insights and opportunities. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of AI and its potential impact on your business. No prior knowledge of AI is required for this course, although a basic understanding of the technology would certainly be beneficial. I invite you to join me on this journey to explore the exciting world of AI in business and discover how you can leverage this powerful technology to kickstart your business growth. Understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. Module Introduction. Welcome to How to Kickstart Your Business with Artificial Intelligence, where we'll explore the exciting world of AI and its potential to transform your business. With so much hype and misinformation around AI, it's easy to get overwhelmed or confused. But don't worry, this course is designed to provide you with a clear understanding of what AI is, how it works, and how you can use it to grow your business. Over the next 3 modules, we'll answer some critical questions about AI, starting with the basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence? We'll dive into some real-world examples of AI in action and explore the different types of AI so you can start to see how this technology can be applied to your business. From there, we'll move on to explore the practical applications of AI in business, including the benefits and challenges of implementation. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of AI and its potential to help you take your business to the next level. In this module, we'll explore the fundamental building blocks of modern AI and gain a clear understanding of what makes this technology so powerful. We'll dive into the world of big data and machine learning, exploring how these concepts are driving the development of AI and enabling businesses to achieve new levels of performance and efficiency. We'll also take a closer look at the different types of AI, including those based on technology and functionality. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of the different types of AI and how they can be applied to your business. Finally, we'll wrap up this module with a brief history of AI, tracing its origins and evolution over time. This will provide you with a deeper appreciation of the challenges and opportunities associated with this transformative technology. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of AI, understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and learning. AI is all around us, and you may have interacted with it without even realizing it. For example, virtual assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and Bixby are popular consumer applications of AI. They use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user queries, making our daily lives more convenient. Virtual assistants are ubiquitous today, found on our phones, in our cars, and in our homes. These assistants learn from each interaction with us, using machine learning algorithms to understand our speech patterns, dialects, and preferences. By analyzing data points from our search queries, music preferences, and daily routines, these AI-powered assistants can provide us with personalized recommendations and a more natural, human-like interaction experience. This is made possible by the application of deep learning, a type of machine learning that enables algorithms to learn from large amounts of data and make increasingly accurate predictions over time. Have you ever heard of a robot vacuum? They're becoming really popular. Robot vacuums are like little helpers that can clean your house for you. They're much better than the old vacuums that were big and heavy and hard to use. With a robot vacuum, you don't even have to get up from the couch. They can clean up dust, hair, and other bits of dirt all by themselves, making your home nice and tidy. It's really cool to see how technology is making our lives easier and more convenient. Have you heard about self-driving cars? They're really popular right now. Self-driving cars use something called AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. This is what helps the car drive itself. The car has lots of cameras, sensors, and maps that help it know where to go and how to get there safely. It's like the car has a really smart brain that can learn and make decisions on its own. But first, the car has to practice and learn a lot, just like we do when we're learning something new. So, it practices in a safe place and learns from all the information it collects, like pictures and maps. It's amazing to see how technology is changing the way we drive. They can look at signs and maps and even tell us when there's a lot of traffic or a road is closed. Lots of companies like Tesla, Uber, and Google are working on this. They're making cars that can drive themselves and help us get around safely. Computers can also do other things like help us watch sports. The people who run the Wimbledon tennis tournament used a computer called IBM Watson to watch lots of tennis matches and pick out the most exciting moments to show on TV. It's really cool to see how computers can help us do all sorts of things. Have you ever watched a movie or TV show and thought, I wish there was something else I could watch that's just as good? Companies like Netflix and Amazon use computers to help find other things you might like to watch. They do this by creating a special profile just for you, based on what you watched before and when you usually watch TV. This helps them suggest new things you love. All of this is done using something called artificial intelligence or AI. This is when computers can do things that normally only humans can do, like learn and get better at something over time. It's like the computer has a brain of its own. So, to sum it up, artificial intelligence means that computers can do things that are normally only done by humans, and they can keep learning and getting better at these things on their own. It's pretty cool how technology can help make our lives easier and more fun. To put it simply, artificial intelligence means that machines can copy things that humans can do and keep getting better at doing those things by using information they collect. If you look at all the examples we've talked about, they all fit into this one definition we just gave you. Types of AI. Although we just explained what AI is, there's actually a lot more to it. AI can be used in so many different ways in many different industries, and there are different types of AI too. Learning about these different types of AI can help you figure out how it can be used in your business or what kinds of things we might be able to do with AI in the future. Let's start by understanding how we classify artificial intelligence. There are two main factors based on which we categorize AI: technology and functionality. Technology refers to the specific tools and techniques that a system uses to perform tasks, while functionality refers to what tasks the system is designed to perform. By taking these factors into consideration, we can identify different types of AI that are used in various industries. Let's take a look at the different types of AI based on technology. There are three main types. First, there's artificial narrow intelligence or AI, also called weak AI. This type of AI focuses on one narrow task and cannot perform beyond its limitations. AI is the most commonly used type of AI today. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, or ANI, is a type of AI that is focused on doing just one thing really well. Think of it like a specialist. For example, there are AI systems that are really good at recognizing images, but they can't do anything else. Most of the AI we have today is ANI. Another type of AI is AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, which is also called Strong AI. This type of AI is like a super smart machine that can learn and understand almost anything a human can. However, scientists have not been able to create AGI yet, even with the most advanced computers like Fujitsu's K or IBM's Watson. For example, it has taken them 40 minutes to simulate just 1 second of brain activity. It is also known as Strong AI because it can understand and learn any intellectual tasks that humans can do. But scientists and researchers have not been able to build a machine that has strong AI yet. It is very difficult because the human brain is very complex, and building a machine like that needs a lot of resources. The third type is called artificial superintelligence. It is even more advanced than a GI and can perform any task better than a human. Lastly, we have something called artificial superintelligence. This is like the most advanced type of AI that can do things way better than humans. Some people think that it's possible for AI to become so advanced that it can understand human feelings and even have feelings and beliefs of its own. But this is still just an idea, and nobody has actually made an artificial superintelligence yet. Some of the things that people think superintelligence could do include thinking very deeply and quickly, and even making important decisions on its own. Now, let's see how we can group different types of AI based on how they work. First, we have reactive machines. These are the most basic form of AI, which only make decisions based on what's happening right now. They don't remember things from the past or use previous experiences to guide their decisions. The first type of AI based on functionality is called reactive machines. They work by looking at what is happening around them and reacting to it. They can't remember anything from the past or plan for the future. They only do what they were programmed to do. One example is Deep Blue, a computer made by IBM that beat a world chess champion. Let's move on to the next type of AI based on functionality, limited memory systems. These AI systems are designed to not only observe their surroundings and respond to current situations, but also learn from their past experiences to improve their decision making. However, they still have some limitations in terms of the amount of data they can store and recall. An example of a limited memory system is the autonomous car, which uses its past experiences to make driving decisions, but has a limited amount of memory to store that data. Limited memory AI systems combine the ability to react to current data with the ability to learn from past experiences. This learning process helps the system to make intelligent decisions. Nowadays, AI systems are designed to react and learn. A good example of a limited memory AI system is the fingerprint scanning machine that you might encounter when going to work. These machines can learn from previous scans and get better at recognizing fingerprints over time. Theory of mind is a type of AI that aims to understand human thoughts and emotions. It involves recognizing the mental states of others and making predictions about their actions based on those states. For example, a theory of mind AI could analyze someone's facial expressions and body language to determine if they are happy, sad, or angry. This type of AI is still being researched and developed, and we may see it in action in the future. Next is the theory of mind level of AI, which is still being developed. It aims to enable machines to understand complex entities such as human emotions, belief systems, and thinking patterns. Sophia, a robot created by Hanson Robotics, is an example of a machine that has been designed to incorporate theory of mind AI. Sophia has cameras in her eyes that allow her to see and recognize individuals and sustain eye contact with them. Self-aware AI is a very advanced type of AI that can understand and even have feelings like a human. It can also be aware of its own thoughts and emotions, just like how we are aware of our own feelings. However, this type of AI is still just an idea and does not exist yet. Scientists are working hard to create it, but it will take a long time before we see self-aware AI in the real world. AI through the ages, a short history. To finish off this module, let's take a quick look at some important moments in the history of AI, from when it first started to where we are today. It all began in 1950 with something called the Turing test. A man named Alan Turing, who was a mathematician from England, wrote a book called Computing Machinery and Intelligence. In 1950, an English mathematician named Alan Turing published a paper called Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in which he proposed a test to see if a machine can exhibit human-like behavior. This test is known as the Turing test. The test is a way to determine if a machine can show human intelligence. If a machine can have a conversation with a human without the human realizing they are talking to a machine, then the machine has demonstrated human-like intelligence. In 1956, two researchers named Alan Newell and Herbert Simon created the first artificial intelligence program called Logic Theorist. This program was able to prove 38 of 52 mathematical theorems and even discovered new ways to prove some of them. Also in 1956, a scientist named John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence at the Dartmouth Conference, where he proposed that AI should be studied as a new academic field. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, AI research was very popular and scientists were very optimistic about its future. However, in the mid-1970s, funding for AI research started to decline, and by the early 1980s, interest in AI had dropped significantly. This period of time became known as the first AI winter. Many researchers had to stop their work or were unable to pursue their research as much as they wanted due to lack of funding. In 1997, a computer named IBM's Deep Blue made history by beating the then world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a game of chess. This was the first time a computer had defeated a human world champion. In 2011, Apple launched Siri, a voice-controlled personal assistant that could help you do many things just by talking to it. You could ask it to make a phone call, play your favorite song, or even tell you a joke. Moving on to more recent times, in 2012, Google launched Google Now, a virtual assistant that could help with tasks and answer questions on mobile devices. In 2014, Amazon launched Alexa, their own voice-controlled assistant to compete with Siri and Google Now. In 2016, Hanson Robotics created the world's first humanoid robot named Sophia. She can recognize faces, have conversations with people, and even show emotions on her face. In 2022, recent times, there has been a new AI system called DALL-E 2, which is capable of creating realistic images and artwork just by using a description in regular language. You can even try it yourself by registering online for the service. It's really amazing to see what AI can do these days. Summary. So, to sum up what we learned in this module, AI means machines that can do tasks like humans and get better at it by learning from the information they gather. There are two types of AI, functional and technological. Functional types are based on what the machine can do, like recognize voices or images. Technological types are based on how the machine works, like machine learning or deep learning. It's amazing to see how far AI has come and how it can help us in so many different ways. In this module, we learned about AI and how it can help machines perform tasks that are similar to what humans can do. There are different types of AI based on their functions and how advanced they are. We also talked about some examples of AI in our daily lives like Siri, Alexa, and self-driving cars. Next, we'll learn more about the different parts that make up modern AI. Let's wrap it up for now. We'll bring you more informative content in our next video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.